Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could have a kitchen sink that makes cleanup a breeze and looks great doing it? That's what the KRAUS Standart Pro 30-inch undermount single bowl sink promises to deliver. With its universal design and heavy-duty 16-gauge construction, this sink is built to last and provide exceptional value. The tightly rounded corners are easy to clean and the satin finish is wear-resistant, making it a low-maintenance option for busy homeowners. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its durability and ease of use. One of the standout features of this sink is its undermount installation, which creates a seamless transition from sink to countertop, making it easy to wipe away crumbs and water without any obstructions. The heavy-duty TRU 16-gauge stainless steel construction is designed to withstand everyday use, and the sloped bottom and channel grooves help to prevent water from pooling in the sink. The result is a sink that is not only easy to clean but also resistant to corrosion and damage. In real-life use, this sink shines, whether you're washing dishes, preparing meals, or simply rinsing off fruit. The KRAUS Standart Pro 30-inch undermount single bowl sink is a joy to use. The sound of water flowing smoothly into the sink, the feel of the cool stainless steel under your hands, and the sight of the sleek design all combine to create a premium kitchen experience. Unlike other sinks on the market, this one is designed with the user in mind, providing a comfortable and efficient washing experience. Overall, the KRAUS Standart Pro 30-inch undermount single bowl sink is a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a high-quality, easy-to-use sink. With its durable construction, easy-to-clean design, and sleek appearance, it's no wonder this sink is so well-reviewed and popular among homeowners. If you're in the market for a new kitchen sink, I would definitely encourage you to consider if this helped. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.